explore the amazing world of vehicles. Are you ready to go?
This is a car. It has 4 wheels that roll fast on the street. Vroom! Vroom! Beep, beep! This is a... Wow! Look! A very long train! It runs on the tracks! Choo choo!
We're on the water now. This is a boat. It glides on the cool waves. Splash! Look at the sky, everyone. The airplane is flying high like a bird. Ding, ding. Riding a bike makes our legs very strong. And here is the big yellow bus. It picks up all our friends. Beep, beep. Which vehicle was your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.